Alright, you guys, DIY guy here, back with another video. Supposedly we think that the caliper may have locked up on us. First off, let's turn that wheel like this, just like that, to get better access here, and let's get started. Okay, so typically when calipers fail, they usually fail from heat, from bad brake fluid, from the piston seals tearing. Typically calipers fail in two fashions. Either they fail not engaging the brake pads. You'll notice that if you take your car for a nice long drive, the rotors will one rotor remain rusty while the others will be clean. That's letting you know that caliper is not engaging those brake pads. However, in our situation, he took it for a nice long drive. He started smelling smoke. He started noticing that the rotor was glowing red. So that means that the caliper got stuck engaged into the pit. It got stuck engaged on the brake pads. My apologies. So in this situation, we'll have to replace the caliper, the brake pads, and the rotors. I'm just gonna try to see if it'll push back in, which it is certainly not doing. Yeah, it's not pushing back in. We'll see if it comes out. Push out like that. Push on that pedal just a couple times to see if it comes out some. And there you go. As you can see right here, this bad boy right here is locked up. This one came out, this one didn't. So yep, this has failed. Let's get this taken apart and let's get this out of here. Alright, now pump it. Alright, now I'm about to crack it. When I crack it, take it to the floor, okay? Take it to the floor. Hold on.
What's wrong with your car, Makai?
I just did I changed his oil.
Trash. Little eco-tech.
All right, pump it, pump it.
So what?
Pump it. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm about to take it to the floor. Hold on. I'm about to take this damn tin off. All the way to the floor. Stay there. Hold on. Turn that thing down. All right, you ready? Yeah. Take it to the floor. Keep it there. Let me check the level real quick.